So y'all, back with another vlog. Well, it's really a vlog that's already going on. It's like, what? I don't know. You want to say hey?
Hey.
How you doing?
Tired.
Look at those crusty toes.
No, not that much. I was on there.
Yeah. Finna go to the liquor store, get my brother something to drink. No. I'm really the plug for the liquor. And the bottles. And the drinks. And the shots. And all that.
Babe.
I'm in Bleeding. You know, I already slatted it up. I slatted it up on Bleeding Avenue. And now I'm finna head back to the Ville. You know what the Ville is? Douglasville. The real hood. Niggas in Atlanta think they really hood, nigga. And in Douglasville, nigga, we really get down, nigga.
Oh, wow.
We really like that. Fuck Atlanta. Atlanta be on some bullshit, nigga. We really in the Ville, nigga. I'll fuck my video up.
I'm not, nigga. I ain't mean to say that in your video. Damn.
Tell me shut the fuck up.
I'm sorry.
So, bitch. Back in another video with your boy, Devin Money. Get into that honey. When it's rainy or it's sunny, smoking on that stogie. You hear me? I don't play no games. But yeah, somebody exited my video without me telling them to.
Don't be doing all that.
So now we gotta start all over. I'm still gonna put the video in there though.
Exactly.
That shit lame though. Like I hate when people do that shit.
Shut up, man.
My videos are unedited, uncut, nothing to cut out of my videos. It's raw footage. You were living a life of death. So yeah, we finna go to the liquor store, get my brother something to drink. Yeah, I'm really living like that. I just came out bleeding. Slack. Blah, 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 blah. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the A. Living like a GTA. Smoking biscotti today. You know what I'm saying? I'm really living that thug life. What? She told me to put my seatbelt on. No, I ain't putting my seatbelt on. Fuck the police, nigga.
Babe.
Fuck the police, nigga. I ain't putting my seatbelt on. I never put my seatbelt on. I'm a real thug. If you watching this video right now, you got your seatbelt on, take that shit off, nigga. Nah, I'm gonna put my seatbelt on, y'all. I gotta set a positive example for the youth. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm really a thug. I mean, I got it, nigga. I know how to put my damn seatbelt on. Shut the fuck up, buddy. What'd you say? What'd you say? That's what I thought.
Look, not so much.
Blah, 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 blah. I'm not swearing, so shut up. You gonna snitch on me?
What are you talking about?
Let me tell y'all something about this rat ass nigga. Bro.
Hey, we're not gonna do that. That's just start. Turn your shit off.
Actually, for another video. I'm gonna say that for another video, bro. But she's a rat.
No, I'm not.
Just so y'all know. Gonna. I ain't gonna. Man, I can drink when I'm driving, nigga. I know how to drive while I'm drunk.
Whatever.
I'm driving real good right now, ain't I?
Hey.
Am I driving good?
Yes.
So I thought. stand up, bitch. If you're really living like that, stand up. Shut the fuck up. What the fuck am I talking about? What am I talking about, bro? I don't know. But yeah, I'm finna go to the liquor store. Then we gonna get some fireworks, right?
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna make sure I record all that for my fellow viewers, for all of my subscribers, and all my supporters. I'm gonna make sure I get all that on footage for you. And if you don't like it, what you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? Nothing. Cause I'm a real nigga, and you're not gonna take nothing from off my plate, nigga. I'm just gonna shut up, guys. Alright, bye. It's gonna be another recording soon. Yeah, y'all. In the liquor store.
Yeah.
With the liquor bottles. You hear me? Yeah. I gotta find that liquor. I'm gonna find that liquor.
I know. Just fine. And then I'm okay.
My brother wanted some Crown Peach Royal. Like, who drink that, bro? Come on now. Y'all got a Crown?
Number 7, very first.
Alright. You hear me? He said number 7, very first. So I'm gonna look at number 7, very first. You hear me? I don't play no games. Where's shit at?
Right, you're looking for
Yeah, that Crown Peach. Oh, you got a smaller bottle?
smaller than that.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, y'all. I'm getting that Crown from my bro. You hear me? Crown Peach. Sipping that Wizark. You hear me? Wicked. You hear me?
But did you see all that shit?
Bleh, 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 bleh. What? What's up? What's up? What's up? Bleh, 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 bleh. You know.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Get that night ready.
Bleh, bleh, 21.
What's up, brother?
You hear me?
Thank you.
No problem.
What do you want to do?
Okay.
What's up, brother? Living the dream, man. How about yourself?
Thank you.
No problem. Oh, it's my. She in the bathroom. What's she doing in the bathroom? Hurry up. I'm trying to go. Where you at? Hurry your ass up. You got no time to play. Oh, she right here. I'm trying. Yeah, y'all.
You found it?
Yeah. I had to ask him.
All right, family, y'all stay blessed now.
All right, you too. Yeah, y'all. Big crib. Our biggest crib in America. You hear me? Blood. Blah, blah, blah. You hear me? I'm a dub, nigga. You hear me? I don't give no fucks. Come say something about it. Come say something about it, nigga. I'm a dub, nigga. Blah, 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 blah. Big crib. There you go. Hold this. I ain't the keys in the car. Where the keys at?
You should know.
Oh.
Royal Crown Peach.
She bust my fucking lip, y'all.
Stop saying that in your video.
She really did. Look at that shit.
But I didn't intentionally do it.
I like Rudolph.
Stop making it sound
Hold
like
my
I did
camera.
it on purpose.
Record me. Record it the other hand. Make sure you keep me on the camera. Cause I'm a real entertainer.
Whatever.
They love me when I get on camera. They be like, you hilarious, Devin. You hilarious. That's how they be for real. I'll be like, yeah, I love y'all too. I'm crap. Shut the fuck up, y'all. You shut the fuck up. You shut the fuck up. I'm really living that baby life. I like my hair. I'm so sexual. Damn, I missed my fucking life. I'm trying to talk to y'all hoe ass niggas. Why you want to get yourself on it? You don't want to get yourself on it?
You want me to?
It don't matter. It's a day in the life for Devin. You don't matter to me. You don't matter. You gotta put yourself on it.
No, I'm just wanting you told me to record you and make sure you're in it.
Yeah, y'all. Big Devin. Heading down the street. Beep, beep. You hear me?
Baby. Y'all.
I'm really living that life, y'all. I'm really living that life. Big Devin. Oh, oh. You hear me? Stand up. Big swine.
Yeah, what he be talking about?
Fuck off. They know what I be talking about. We got our own secret language on this channel.
Mm-hmm.
Crip. On crip, nigga. You hear me?
Just talking.
Shut up.
I showed my baby in your video. Yeah.
What?
I showed my baby bump in the video.
That's good for you.
Y'all.
Yeah.
He think he funny.
Fuck Georgia Police Department, nigga. Fuck GSP, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Cheers.
Oh my god.
Cheers. Red cup, solo cup, double cup. You hear me, bitch? I don't give no fuck, nigga. Fuck the police, nigga. Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. Y'all niggas got it bad because I'm brown, you hear me? NWA, stand up. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Bitch ass. You ain't gonna do shit. When it really comes down that shit, nigga. When it really come down to standing up business, you ain't gonna do shit, Debbie. Shut the fuck up. Yo, bitch ass.
Babe.
You ain't gonna do nothing, nigga. You're not really like that. You're not living like that, nigga. Pussy ass, nigga. Yeah, I'm driving that vehicle. You hear me? Driving that vehicle. Starting that vehicle.
Y'all, I didn't bust his lip on purpose. He keeps saying it in his video. I just wanted to clarify that.
You bust my lip, bro.
Not on purpose.
She beat my ass last night.
He's lying, y'all. He's lying. I did not do that.
And you know I can't hit women. I don't ever hit women. Never. So I couldn't hit her back.
Okay.
I'm really a stand-up guy.
Okay.
I never hit a woman. I really could beat her ass if I wanted to, but I don't want
He
to.
can't.
I'm not living like that.
Neither one. I don't beat on you.
You beat my ass.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
But I don't even remember how I hit you.
Nah, you beat me, bro.
Stop
Beat
lying.
me up. Beat the shit out of me.
Lying like fuck. I'm not even a violent person.
You told me you beat me up, and I was crying. You said, stop crying. Take a nap. You told me to take a nap. And I was like, damn.
Why are you lying on me right now? Sound like some shit you do to a child. Beat their ass and tell them to take a nap.
Nigga, you beat my ass. Like,
No, I did not.
abusive.
I'm not abusive.
I be getting abused with y'all.
No, he does not. Don't let him lie to y'all. He does not get abused.
Abusive relationships.
It's a lie.
Shit crazy out here.
He wouldn't be with me if he was in an abusive relationship, y'all. Don't listen to him.
I'm here for my son.
He lying. He ain't here for his son.
I'm here so I don't get fined.
Nigga, whatever.
I'm only here so I don't get fined.
Whatever.
Like Marshawn Lynch said.
Whatever.
I'm only here so I don't get fined.
We can't put you on child support. What the fuck?
Man, I can drive with no hands, nigga. I drive with my damn pinky toes, you hear me? I really like that. I really like that, nigga. Like, anybody know when Devin get to driving, he really be driving it. He be really be whipping that hoe, nigga. Everybody know that. Ask anybody in Atlanta. Yeah, we back in that Ville though. Douglasville. The real hood. Fuck Atlanta.
Hey, not too much.
Fuck Atlanta, nigga. Fuck Atlanta, nigga. Y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna cut this video. It's 11 minutes now. I'm gonna cut this video.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see y'all later. This ain't the last video till July 4th though. It's gonna be like 4 parts.
No, we
Shit,
got
I don't know.
to
I'm gonna edit this shit when I get home, nigga. Shit, alright, y'all.